Okay, friends, imagine this. A YouTube channel earning you at least 23.5K every single month. Easy to operate, quick to produce. Would you give it a shot? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you another viral niche and walk you through exactly how to make similar videos step by step. First, let's take a quick look. You'll notice this channel already has 206K subscribers and an insane 171 million total views. Even crazier, it's only 3 months old. Yep, 3 months. Pretty impressive, right? It already has 3 videos over 10 million views each, and tons more with millions of views. Sure, YouTube Shorts typically have a lower RPM compared to longer form videos, but with views this high, it doesn't really matter. As mentioned in the beginning, earning 23.5K per month puts you ahead of many long-form creators already. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Want to know how these videos are made? Then hit subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Because we're diving in right now. Step 1. Analyze your target videos. Click into any video and you'll notice it's only about 5 seconds long. Just 2 funny superhero scenes with a simple transition creating a hilarious contrast. Throw in some funny music, and that's it. Looks easy, right? Okay, analysis complete. Next step, crafting AI-generated prompts. How? Simple. Head over to the channel's homepage, take a few screenshots from these videos. For example, we just take them 3. Then hop on ChatGPT. Drag your 3 screenshots right into ChatGPT, paste in the prompt I'll share with you, and bam! ChatGPT quickly generates 3 solid prompts for you. Pretty cool, huh? Now, on to the next step, generating images with AI. We're going to use Dream Nina AI, a fantastic tool that gives you 120 free credits daily. Each image costs just 2 credits, perfect for everyday use. Just copy the first prompt, head to Dream Nina AI, click on the image generator, paste the prompt, set the model to Image 2.0 Pro, quality to 10, or between 5 to 9 if you prefer, and set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Click Generate. This ensures your videos are suitable for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, so one video can post on 3 platforms same time. And while you wait, generate your images from the other 2 prompts as well. Got your images? Awesome! Pick your favorite set as an example, click HD Upscale, then edit on canvas, and export it to get your high-quality, watermark-free image. Pro tip: don't stress too much about images matching your prompts exactly. These videos are all about creativity and fun visuals. As long as the images look good, you're good to go. Next up, we need a pink Barbie-style image. Upload the previous image back into Dream Nina AI as a reference. Select Edge, save, and slightly adjust the prompt to fit the pink Barbie theme. Don't worry, I'll share all these prompts in my WhatsApp channel. Check out the link in the description below and join for free. Set everything up again, hit Generate, choose your favorite image, upscale it, edit it in Canvas, and export. Now comes the most important and trickiest part, so pay close attention. We're going to use CapCut's mask and keyframe functions. Open CapCut, import your 2 images, and place them on separate video tracks. Important note, the before image goes on the top track, and the Barbie after image goes on the bottom. Select your bottom track, Barbie image, tap Mask, choose Horizontal, and drag it down. Next, select the top track image, also choose Horizontal, and you'll get a neat visual. The top track on top, the bottom track below, separated by a mask. You can click and drag to move the mask around, or use the rotation button to spin it 360 degrees. Now, from studying the original video, you can see the mask smoothly moves from left to right, rotating along the way. Let's replicate this motion using mask positioning, rotation, and keyframes. Start with your first keyframe, move your mask to the bottom left corner, and click the keyframe button. As you move along, add more keyframes, adjusting positions and angles gradually for a smooth effect. The more keyframes you add, the smoother your transition will be. Almost done. Now you just need some background music. Uploading from your phone? Use the popular tracks available when you upload. But since I'm demonstrating this on desktop, let's quickly pick one from YouTube Studio's audio library. Search funny, give a quick listen. Let's go with the first one. Drag the music into CapCut. Trim off any unnecessary bits, and crank the volume a bit. All set? Export your masterpiece. Let's check out the final result. Okay friends, how'd it go? Did you get it? Hold up. By now you're probably wondering, can these videos even get monetized? Great question. Let's find out. Copy the channel's link, head over to YT Large, click YouTube Tools, choose Monetization Checker, paste the link, enter the verification code, wait a moment, and bam! You'll clearly see the monetization details yourself. Alright friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it around. Your support truly motivates me to keep creating, and definitely swing by my channel homepage. I've got plenty of videos there, packed with ideas to spark your creativity and help you earn extra income. Thanks for watching everyone. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Good luck.